In today's video, I'll show you how to apply a cinematic smoke overlay effect in both Canva and CapCut so your videos instantly look more dramatic and professional. Let's start with CapCut. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import the video or photo you want to enhance and drag it onto the timeline. Once your main clip is in place, tap on Effects. Use the search bar and type smoke. You'll see different smoke style effects available. Choose one that matches your vibe, like a soft mist for subtle atmosphere or something more intense for a dramatic reveal. Tap to apply it, then adjust the duration so it covers the part of the video you want. If the smoke feels too strong, reduce the opacity or intensity in the effect settings until it blends naturally with your footage. Preview the clip and fine-tune the timing for a smooth cinematic flow. Now let's switch to Canva. Open Canva and create a new video project or open your existing design. Upload your base video and place it on the timeline. Next, go to Elements and search for Smoke Overlay or just Smoke. You'll find animated transparent smoke graphics. Choose one with a transparent background and drag it over your video. Resize it to cover the frame if needed. With the smoke selected, click Transparency in the top toolbar and lower it until the effect looks natural instead of overpowering. You can also trim the smoke clip in the timeline to control when it appears and disappears. In both apps, the key is subtlety. Lower opacity creates a soft cinematic haze, while higher opacity gives a bold, intense mood. Play with layering and timing to match your music or transitions. And that's it. You now know how to add a stylish smoke overlay effect in both Canva and CapCut to give your content a dramatic, cinematic touch.